If you're into photography, there's a new camera on the scene that's worth getting excited about: the Leica Q4. It's compact, sleek, and packed with high-end features that make it a real contender for anyone who wants pro-level performance without hauling around bulky gear. From the outside, the Q4 carries that unmistakable Leica style: simple, elegant, and built to last. Crafted from durable magnesium alloy and finished with a textured leather grip, it feels premium in your hands while being tough enough for daily use. It's also weather-sealed, which means it's ready for anything, whether you're shooting in the city or out in the elements. Despite its slim size, this camera is loaded. It's designed to give photographers the freedom to travel light without compromising on image quality. The controls are intuitive, blending tactile dials with a responsive touchscreen that makes navigating settings and menus a breeze, perfect for both seasoned Leica users and newcomers alike. Inside the Q4 is a high-resolution 47.3 full-frame sensor, capable of capturing stunning detail and lifelike color, even in challenging light. Backed by Leica's latest Maestro 4 processor, everything runs fast and smooth from startup to shooting to processing. You won't be stuck waiting to take your next shot. Low-light performance has improved too, thanks to an extended ISO range that handles everything from bright daylight to dim indoor scenes. Pair that with the built-in 28mm f1.7 Summilux ASPH lens, and you've got a fast, sharp setup that handles everything from portraits and street scenes to wide landscapes. Bokeh is smooth, colors are accurate, and edge-to-edge sharpness is top tier. Leica also gave the autofocus system a serious upgrade. The Q4 uses phase detection AF, locking onto subjects faster and with greater precision even when they're in motion or in poor light. Add in a refined burst shooting mode, and this camera becomes a fantastic option for action shots or fleeting candid moments. When it comes to composing your images, the experience is just as polished. The Q4 features a high-resolution 5.76mm electronic viewfinder that's bright and incredibly detailed, giving you a clear window into your scene even in direct sunlight. There's also a sharp and responsive 3.2-inch touchscreen on the back for reviewing shots or adjusting settings on the fly. And if you're into video, the Q4 has you covered there too. It shoots 4K with beautiful clarity and color, making it a versatile tool for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who want great video from a compact system. The combination of the full-frame sensor and fast processor ensures clean, cinematic footage every time. If you're wondering whether to upgrade from the Q3, the answer might be yes. The sensor has been fine-tuned for better low-light performance, the new processor is quicker, autofocus is smarter, and both the viewfinder and screen have seen significant improvements. It's a true step forward, not just a minor refresh. At its core, the Leica Q4 is more than just a camera, it's a creative companion. It's been thoughtfully engineered to give photographers the tools they need to focus on capturing their vision, not fussing with gear. It delivers quality, style, and performance in a body that's always ready to go. Whether you're shooting for clients, building your portfolio, or just documenting life's moments, the Q4 feels like a camera that wants to be used. It's a reminder that photography is not just about specs, but about the experience, and with the Q4, that experience is exceptional. So what do you think? Is the Q4 calling your name, or are you sticking with your current setup?